In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display two columns on mobile in Elementor, fix layout issue. If your two-column layout looks great on desktop but collapses into a single column on phones, this quick fix will get your design back in shape. We'll adjust the column width specifically for mobile so they sit side by side without affecting your desktop layout. First, log into your WordPress site and head to your dashboard. From there, go to Pages so you can find the page that's having the issue. Open that page and click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual builder. Once Elementor is open, switch to the mobile view. You'll find the responsive preview controls in the builder interface. Choose the phone option so you're editing exactly what mobile visitors see. This is important because Elementor lets you set different values for desktop, tablet, and mobile without one change breaking the others. Next, click the first column you want to control. You'll know you have the column selected when you see the blue outline and the column handle. In the left panel, go to the Layout tab. Look for column width. By default, this might be set in pixels. Change the unit from px to percentage. Percentages are responsive, which means they scale with the screen and allow two columns to sit on the same row on smaller devices. Set the column width to 50% or slightly lower. 50% gives you two equal columns. If you have generous padding, borders, or gaps between columns, using something like 48% can prevent wrapping. The key is to keep the total of both columns at 100% or less so they can share the row on small screens. Now repeat the same process for the next column. Click the second column to select it, open the Layout tab in the left panel, switch the width unit to percentage and set it to 50% or lower to match your design. Keep an eye on the live mobile preview as you adjust to make sure the columns align correctly and don't stack. You should now see both columns displaying side by side in mobile view. If they still stack, double check that both columns are using percentages and that neither is over 50%. Also consider whether large padding or margins are pushing content to the next line. Keeping widths slightly under 50% can help. That's it. With these simple adjustments, your Elementor columns will display as two clean, responsive columns on mobile, restoring the layout you intended while keeping desktop and tablet views intact.